Turmeric. The name alone evokes warmth and vibrant color. This golden spice is not just a culinary delight, but a symbol of health and tradition. This spice, with its distinctive yellow hue, holds a place of honor in kitchens and medicine cabinets across the world. Its versatility is unmatched, finding its way into a myriad of dishes and healing concoctions. But did you know that turmeric's story began thousands of years ago in the heart of India? It was a prized commodity, traded along ancient routes and revered for its medicinal properties. Join me now as we journey through time to discover the fascinating tale of turmeric, the golden spice with a royal past. From ancient rituals to modern kitchens, its journey is truly remarkable. We begin our exploration in India, where turmeric has been a cornerstone of life for millennia. Its cultivation and use are deeply rooted in the culture and traditions of the land. From the food we eat to the remedies we prepare, turmeric's presence is deeply intertwined with the Indian identity. It is a staple in every household, cherished for its flavor and healing properties. This golden spice, derived from the roots of the curcumin plant, is a testament to nature's bounty. Its vibrant color and potent properties make it a true treasure of the earth. Turmeric's story begins in the Indian subcontinent. Its use dates back nearly 4,000 years. Evidence suggests that turmeric was cultivated in the Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's earliest urban societies. Back then, turmeric was more than just a spice. It was a symbol of purity, prosperity, and even divinity. Early cultivators recognized turmeric's versatility. They used it to dye fabrics a vibrant yellow, adding a touch of luxury to everyday life. They discovered its value in traditional medicine, harnessing its power to soothe ailments, and of course they incorporated it into their cuisine, infusing their dishes with its unique aroma and flavor. As trade routes flourished, so did the reach of turmeric, spreading its vibrant hue and unique flavor. The spice made its way across Asia, eventually reaching the bustling shores of the Mediterranean. Arab traders introduced turmeric to Europe around the 7th century, marking a significant milestone. It quickly captivated palates and found its way into European kitchens, adding an exotic touch to their culinary traditions and recipes. Turmeric's journey is a testament to its universal appeal and enduring popularity. Across continents and cultures, this golden spice has been embraced for its flavor, color, and medicinal properties, enriching lives. Its story is interwoven with the history of trade, cultural exchange, and the human desire to explore new tastes and remedies, making it truly timeless. Section 4. Curcumin, the science behind the spice. What is it about turmeric that makes it so special? This vibrant yellow-orange spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, but its true power lies in its active compound. The answer lies in curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its distinctive color and its potent health benefits. Modern science has begun to unravel the secrets behind this potent compound, revealing a wealth of health benefits. Researchers are delving deep into understanding how curcumin interacts with our body at a molecular level. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect our bodies from harmful free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to various chronic diseases. Studies suggest that curcumin may play a role in reducing inflammation, boosting brain function, and even improving heart health. Its anti-inflammatory properties are particularly noteworthy, and even combating certain diseases. Some studies indicate that curcumin might help in managing conditions like arthritis, depression, and even cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand its potential, the preliminary findings are encouraging. Scientists are optimistic about the future applications of curcumin in medicine. The findings so far are incredibly promising. With ongoing research, we may soon unlock even more benefits of this incredible compound. It seems that ancient wisdom and modern science are converging to shed light on the remarkable properties of this golden spice. From ancient remedies to modern-day research, curcumin continues to amaze and inspire. Section 5. Bringing turmeric into your life. Ready to experience the magic of turmeric for yourself? Incorporating this spice into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start by adding a pinch to your favorite dishes. Turmeric lends its warm, earthy flavor to curries, soups, stews, and even smoothies. For a comforting and healthy beverage, try a warm cup of golden milk before bedtime. Simply combine turmeric with your choice of milk, a touch of honey, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Turmeric can also be used topically. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a popular ingredient in face masks and skincare products. Section 6. Turmeric for a healthier tomorrow. As we delve deeper into the world of turmeric, we uncover its potential to revolutionize medicine and skincare. This golden spice, long revered in traditional medicine, is now at the forefront of scientific research. Its vibrant color and potent properties are capturing the attention of researchers worldwide. Researchers are exploring its use in developing new treatments for a range of conditions, from Alzheimer's disease to cancer. The active compound curcumin is being studied for its ability to target and neutralize harmful cells, offering hope for more effective therapies. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties show promise in addressing various skin concerns, paving the way for innovative skincare solutions. Imagine skincare products that not only enhance beauty, but also promote healing and protection against environmental damage. Imagine a future where turmeric-based therapies are readily available, offering natural and effective ways to manage chronic diseases. From dietary supplements to advanced medical treatments, turmeric could become a cornerstone of modern health practices. Imagine a world where skincare products harness the power of curcumin to promote healthy, radiant skin. These products could revolutionize the beauty industry, providing natural alternatives to chemical-laden cosmetics. The future of turmeric is bright, and its potential to improve our lives is immense. As research continues to unlock its secrets, we move closer to a healthier, more vibrant tomorrow, powered by the humble turmeric root. Section 7. A Golden Future. Our journey through the world of turmeric has revealed a story of ancient wisdom, global exploration, and scientific discovery. From its humble beginnings in the Indian subcontinent to its place as a globally celebrated spice, turmeric's journey is a testament to its enduring appeal. As we continue to unlock the secrets of curcumin, the future of turmeric shines brighter than ever. So the next time you encounter this golden spice, take a moment to appreciate its rich history and the countless benefits it offers. Embrace turmeric in your life and discover the golden touch it can bring to your health, well-being, and culinary adventures.